I missed the first part of it. And this is the the fulvic acid. Fulvic care. Humic acid, fulvic acid, trace minerals, electrolytes, antioxidants. And it's magic. It doesn't taste like anything either. It's like, if anything, it tastes like unsweet tea. I put a lot in today because I started my cycle, so I'm going to be wanting sprinkles. It's not for you. Actually, the animals can't have it. They just have their own separate dish of it. She doesn't need it in my cup. You have sprinkles. Sprinkles. I know. You have some. You have some. You have some, little lady. You're a small lady. I really did. I put a lot in there today. Look at it go, man. Look at it go.